Are you ready? Yeah.
Yes, sir, ready. I'm just joining the class because I got disconnected.
Okay.
I'm sharing my screen, sir. It is visible?
Let us wait for some time if it is coming. Yeah, now it is coming. Yeah.
Okay. So, should I start from beginning
Uh,
or?
uh, yes, you can start from beginning. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So here is my front page of mine, which in this I introduce a little bit about myself, and this is uh, just a minute. It is taking time. Yes, about me, from where I have completed my graduations and my bachelor studies, my higher secondary studies and all, and uh, yes, how literature. First, we see that what is literature. Yes, as I have embedded my earlier writing, and now I'm comparing with. So basically, with a very simple words, when I was here first time, and sir, as sir assigned to write something on literature, I used to write about that literature is something which profoundly writes on the beauties and the truths of life and the mirror of society, as like a blue, John Keats says, beauty lies in the eyes of. So slowly and steadily, my all the constructed uh, yes, it is scrolling. So I'm able to come out from all these write-ups, and now I'm very clear in my mind that now I'm defining literature as the different than earlier. Is that literature isn't describes only beauty and truth. The reality of criticism, surely an interwoven part of literature also. If a true literature unable to express the fiber realities of society and the people, and the literature shouldn't consider as the mirror of society. So rather reflecting basic nature of human or a characters in literature, the proper characters is supposed to pursuing some extraordinary, heroic, and some intense emotion as to portray as them different. And the part and the character of literature. Sometimes something was written as in a form of literature never be appropriate example of something such as unconditional eternity, as we have that literature and the particular character having eternal unconditional feelings and emotions. Not at all so. Now each character of literature now raising a various questions in my mind, that starting from the basic human nature and from the entire existence of human being. Now I'm started question after reading the Waiting for Godot. We are started question of the entire existence of human being. That is what I think the most unbeatable part of literature is, to write question, and the question, and after the question also we have the struggle, clashes, and conflict between our morals or ethics and our developed mind. So the part of literature to raise question, and after struggle, clashes, conflict in my stomach, maybe the deeper inside of true reader of literature. That is what from my side about the literature. And here we will go with how literature shaped a particular person or particular personality. That first of all, that if we read Terry's book, how to read literature. First of all, when I was planning for prepare this portfolio, I and trying to define how literature shaped me, I go to read about that, how first of all how to read literature. Then I will able to I did justify my thoughts, that we live in the world which there is nothing that cannot be narrated, but nothing that needs to be either. Yes. So far, education is something which propagates the purest idea of honesty. Compassion, knowledge also provide a space for own development opinion, right? It is that we all have. So it is the literature that honestly prints the disorders, its form of life, society, culture, and just toss the freely on a pages. I must say that literature is now become a whistle for me and to roar, and this impact of literature will never diminish. And I would like to quote one more thing about Walter Benjamin about on literature, how literature shaped me, is that genuine polemics approach a book as lowly as a canalious basis of baby. Such a potential I got from the strong strength of visioning the perspective towards literature and literature to human life, life, may constantly boiling and realizing me that I'm the one who hatching the notions of neutrality and being more civic and being more sensational and logical towards particular tends towards life. Such criticism, polemic approach of literature perform as a broken glass in front of my mind and my eyes also, because as we know that mirror is also reflecting what is reality of us, but sometimes reality is also based on the constructions. When the reality breaks, the same way when the glasses are broke, we will see the very because when a glass means something which idealized breaks, well constructed things breaks, the reality behind every object, including spaces, culture, society, will notify themselves to person who is a witness of its breaking process. And we are, while studying the master of English, we are the witness, and we are the witness of the breaking process of our conditioning mind. And going toward life, the strict rules of evidence would destroy the psychoanalysis of literary criticism by Mason Colley. It is to say that liberalism of free life, free of speech, freedom of expression in one's life, which one in that one person have to act accordingly. The true sense of liberalism was explained me by the literature, which perhaps the Indian Constitution could not explain me, even giving the words of democracy. And the metaphor I have used, a simple metaphor I have used for literature is plow. That the way we have this idea of plowing and we are cultivating our knowledge and our land to cope the seeds. Okay, at that time we will find that a teacher or a student have to cultivate their mind before reading something, before analyzing something. So before reading literature, we have to cultivate our mind, just like a plow did plowed in the land. Just way it cultivate the soil, we have to cultivate our mind, and we have to come out from all the things and be neutral while reading anything. Mythically, myth is always a very good study for literature, also for to comparative studies, and for we can say that comparison between mythics and we always give a better chance to understand the thing. So this plong is I connected it with the brother of Krishna, Balaram, who used to had it as a weapon to fight or anything. But here we will see that the using of this metaphor is I want to always keep this language, English language, these words, this knowledge, the civic sense as a weapon of my life. That the way I fight with the society, and there I will enlighten myself with the weapon of this knowledge, language, and literature. The same way, as the new season came, we have to reinforce our land. The same way, while going anywhere to study new thing, we have to reinforce our mind, our heart, and all. So briefly, it is about that. It is about to reinforcing, and in a modern way, we can say to update ourselves the same as a plong did with the land. Yes. And then we will go with the next portion of my digital e-portfolio is about assignment, and here I have put all the semester assignments. It is lagging something somehow. Yes. All semester included semester 3. Presentations. Here is all my presentations.
Yes, Tamsa. So you come to the uniqueness of your portfolio.
Sure, sir.
Yeah.
Sure, sir. Uniqueness of my digital portfolio is that I used to take part in various cultural activities where it is also it helps to build your personality. That we all know that. In the same way, this is my earlier photographs of my cultural events which I used to perform, because in MA I don't get much chance to perform like that, but it is also considered as my hobby to perform in a drama, singing, and performing with a group with the various dressings and all. So this is all. And my if we say about the hobbies, my most favorite hobby is to present something. A research paper is again considered as my hobby. And here I have put it singing. And yes, my extracurriculum activities, which can be considered as a hobbies also, and as a part of build your personality as a being a student or academic person. So I used to take a responsibility to hand over these kinds of cleanliness programs, such trackings programs, which have also build your personality more stronger. And more uniqueness is about yes, that as sir also mentioned that LinkedIn is very important for all the students who are studying in not only LinkedIn, but your account should be with the all various platforms for your branding also, and for to show that whatever you are doing is something that you are very active, because now it is a time to 21st century, and it is an age of technology, so you must have to perform on the various platforms of online and social media also. So as I shared morning with in a morning slot also, that here I have took resume from the LinkedIn website, and this is what it helps us to less my workload, and that is what more unique thing I must say about everything, that you have to preserve anything, and when you started something and open your account, you must upload your informations, your things, your regular post, so at the end of the year it will generate it automatically, and will help to combine these documents in your digitally portfolio. Here is the certificates. Yes. Also, I have categorized my department certificates, because it is. I think it is yes. My cultural activity. I participated more than 10 international or national conference, and also presented my paper and got certificates. So this is also the uniqueness of my certificate. It will longing. So we will directly. Just a minute. Sir. Hello.
Yes, yeah.
No, it's actually I'm facing some problems, so not able to share my only one page. It is only one remaining only. So please share this paper presentation. Wait. I'm able to share.
There is. I have to request access. That page is not open.
Yes,
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So you have to keep
Now
it
I'm able to
open.
share, sir. Okay.
See that on
The
your
last uniqueness
yeah.
of
Yeah. Okay. Everybody, just check it out whether your pages are all opening or not. If you're not given request, you're not given access, then you have to make it public in your Google Drive. Otherwise, it will not be seen. So you can see, you will be able to see it, but others will not be able to see. So just a minute.
yes.
Just I'm just sharing so others get an idea if it is like this. Then, so it comes like this. So I have to, you need a request. Now this is not working also. When I click on this request access, then also it is not working. So you may not get the message also that somebody is requesting access. So how can you overcome this? No? I have seen this in many of the students' portfolio on one or the other pages. One of the way of overcoming is asking somebody to check in their mobile phone or laptop. So to see that go through all the pages once. So your friends can help you. If you will log in from your device, you will see it. Right? That will not solve the problem. You'll have to tell somebody else to go through all the pages of your digital portfolio. Yes. Yes, you can reshare and you can say, yeah. Are you sharing that? You have to reshare, I think. Yeah.
It is not visible.
No, it is not. I shared in between, no, so it is not visible. You can just reshare. I think you will see the button of reshare. And that idea is very good. From LinkedIn, if you have updated your profile, you can download a PDF directly from LinkedIn, and it gives a very good profile in a very good shape you can get from LinkedIn. Okay? So that you can share with everybody from where to do, how to get the resume automatically from LinkedIn.
Yes, sir. In a modeling suit, I have demonstrated that also.
Achha, that's good. Chalo, clear.
The last uniqueness of my digital portfolio is that for a better documentation, I preserved my each paper with the title, with the place, date, and certificate with my photo with performance. So I prepared a one doc file, and here I had preserved everything in a single chat, and I can upload it on the drive. And here is the list. So for me, I can easily access this doc. Now I will change the settings and everyone can access. But for me, it is very easy to access. You don't just rush with the more details with the place, name, certificate, and photo. Here we'll get the clear and the very easy, handy form of our presentation. So if you have to put somewhere, then it will help. And yes, here is my feedback.
Yes, this is a very good idea. This is a simple Word file, but still you put certificate, one photo or a collage of the event, what was that event date, and the title of the paper. So it's a good idea to document your activities. Okay, so here is your feedback. Yeah.
Yes, and then last one is contact me. QR code is also there, and yes, with a single click you will get the link of my profile, and you can contact me. Script, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. So it was from my side. Any questions and any suggestions then? Thank you.
Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, fine. Well presented. Nishtha is there? Nishtha?